Y'all, welcome to the vlog. I know it's been a good while since I've put anything out. It's been a couple weeks actually since I showed a video on my little motorcycle. But I had to show you this. You know, we're crazy about animals around here. We love our raccoons that come around, possums, squirrels, you name it. We love all the animals.
We got a little stray kitty.
And so we had a little bit of steak left over. And Janita, she said, you know what? I need to fry this steak up a little bit and throw it out there to the raccoons. So look at this. She is actually frying this steak up. She's going to sear it, and then we're going to throw it out there to the raccoons.
Well, they've got bratwurst out there too right now.
Yeah, we just put a whole thing of bratwurst out there for them.
I cleaned out the freezer today.
She cleaned out the freezer today and found the bratwurst that we ain't going to eat. I think she actually left it out or something.
Yeah.
So we just put a whole package of bratwurst out there, and now they're going to get steak. These animals eat better than I do. Y'all, look what Brady has bought. Y'all, this is a 1987 or 88 Yamaha Raz scooter that he bought from my brother. This little thing, it's cool as can be. My goodness. He loves this little thing. This little thing is a 49cc motor on it. And it will do 35, if not 40. It'll max out the speed on the speedometer. It maxes out. So it may actually go a little faster than 35 miles an hour. Goodness, I think he thinks he's got a dirt bike here. Goodness. Alright, now he's out here on the cul-de-sac. He's going to take it down to the bottom of the hill down here and turn around. If he don't slow down, hopefully he don't burn up the transmission in it. Here he comes.
Oh, it's fun.
Very good, dude. Very good.
Several days later.
There is kind of a weird haze. It's cloudy right now, but there is kind of a weird haze to the clouds. Kind of a milky brownish color or something. I don't know how to describe it, but it is kind of a weird haze out here. I know the camera's not going to pick it up, but yeah, there's definitely something going on out here that's not normal. But pretty cool looking though. Alright, just want to show that to you. Alright y'all, Brady's fixing to launch the first fireworks of the season here. Today is Sunday. You know, you've seen it a year or so ago where he bought some fireworks and there's duds. They barely get out of the bottle. They barely off the ground, blow up. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? I heard it hit. Goodness.
No wonder this thing was $3.
Oh goodness. I hate those kind of go up and they don't blow up. You don't know if they're going to land back on you and then blow up. Yeah. Alright, let's try this again. Take two. Oh, here he goes. Now he can't get the lighter to work. Goodness.
There we go.
There he goes. Oh, there it went. See, that one went up pretty high.
That's what it's supposed to do.
Yeah. That went up pretty high. Alright, we'll watch him do one more. He went and bought a lot of fireworks today. So he was just itching to launch something, so bottle rockets are cheap. So thought we'd shoot a few of these just to, let's see if we can catch this one better on film. Figure get the thing lighted. Got a rookie.
Or you give me a crappy.
Come on, come on.
Barely.
Good gracious. I could have made a fire by now. Uh-oh. Oh, heck. Here we go. Gonna have explosion on the launch pad. I still see smoke. Good gracious.
Now I got.
All right, I don't think she's going. This is what happens when you pay $3 for how many's in there? 144 and whatever it is.
Now we got whistling bottle rockets that were like $6.
Yeah, yeah. Hopefully those whistle.
Yeah. You know,
All right, y'all. He got some whistlers here.
these are not whistlers.
Don't they whistle?
Not these. I said we're gonna try this again.
Oh, I thought you got some whistlers.
Yeah, put them up there.
All right, let's come on. Good gracious. You said you was gonna get some whistlers. He opened them up and never brought them out.
Set, please. Quiet on set.
Good gracious.
Quiet on set.
Goodness. Bunch of rookies. Look at him. He can't light this up. He can't light without burning himself. Good gracious. He ain't learned that you gotta go underneath it. Oh, okay, there we go. Is this a whistler?
No, this is not whistling. I already. Go to your doctor. Okay?
Goodness.
For you, Dan.
That was fast. Oh, he's gonna go get a whistler, y'all. Goodness.
Here, turn the camera back on. Is it still on?
Oh, wait a minute. Got zoomed in here. All right, he's got a whistler, y'all.
Yeah. After you kept complaining.
He went and opened it up, walked over, opened it up, and then walked back. Didn't have any whistlers with him.
That's because I told you we're gonna give this another try. God.
So I got to put up with y'all. I got a bee or something flying around me. There you go. Let's see if it whistles. Well,
Oh, it actually works.
it actually whistled. All right, I think that's gonna be in for our fireworks show for the day.
No.
I'm gonna watch them shoot some more, but that's gonna be it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. All right, y'all. So Brady is shooting his first fireworks here. It is now July 4th. It's just after 7 o'clock. And yeah, I know it's not dark or anything yet. We're still about an hour away before it gets there, but he couldn't resist. But if you listen, you can hear people shooting all around us. Well, you could. All right. All right, guys. So this is the beginning of July 4th. We'll come back to you when it gets a little dark.
1 hour later.
All right, guys. We're going to launch 4 artillery shells right here. 1, 2, 3. Awesome!
Better than the other one.
Very good.
Yeah, remember the other bag? The other 2 bags. Know what you get. Paper at the same time.
Very good. Light them up. Step back.
Ethan, go!
Holy moly. Very good.
Nice.
Wow. Y'all, this guy over here has been launching these big ones for over an hour. I kid you not. I know this guy had to spend at least $10,000 on these fireworks.
Can you imagine the setup?
Oh, I know it.
They've been
He's,
setting up for days.
he launched some real big ones a while ago.
Well, these aren't big?
Oh, these are big, but he launched some real big ones a while ago. Went way up in the sky. And this ain't his finale yet.
That might have been the finale.
No, that wasn't the finale.
Wow, who needs Nashville fireworks?
Tell me about it. We don't need to go downtown Nashville. We got it all right here.
They're all around us.
Yeah. Golly.
All right.
All right, babe.
Oh, I'm good. Thank you. Thank you.
No water?
Thank you.
I can't handle it.
My goodness. See you, Nancy.
Yeah.
My goodness. All right, y'all, I'm gonna stop filming here. It's gonna go on all night long. All right, y'all, so that's gonna be it for the vlog. I appreciate you watching. We had a great time at the 4th of July, as you saw. I filmed just a little small part of it, but we had a great time. Brady loves his little scooter, as you saw him riding it. We got a little small problem with it. Now when you turn it off, the carburetor fills up with fuel and it leaks out, so I gotta take it off and clean it. One of the jets are probably clogged up on it, so I've got to do that. Yeah, guys, and it's taking us forever for me to put this vlog out just because everything's closed because of COVID-19. Nowhere to go, nothing to do. It's probably all of you are probably doing the same thing. Only thing you can do is go out walking, biking, and that's about it. But anyways, oh, Brady, you probably hear in the background. He's out there. Somebody can zoom in on him. He's out there working out, hitting his punching bag. So he does that from time to time to get a little workout. But he enjoys that. He wants to go get a punching bag. That'll probably be next on the list. But anyways, yeah, that's all we've been doing, guys. Hey, appreciate you watching the video. Appreciate the subscribers. I got several new subscribers. I greatly appreciate that, guys. So yeah, hey, as always, go for your dreams. Take that leap of faith and jump. We'll see you next time.